In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on gear icon at the top of it. Then select theme over here. Pick one of those. And use this switcher next to keyboards to switch them on or off. When you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. Then go back. As you can see, after that, the theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to, you can also tap on this icon of a color palette next to the gear one and go into themes section right away. Now to customize it, tap on this plus under my themes. Click on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Let's go with this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!